Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Tonight's menu is hearty chicken and vegetable stew. Now let's get straight to the mise en place. We're going to start with a little bit of oil, then onion, carrot, celery, and then we're going to garlic, and then we're going to add ground thyme, ground rosemary, sage, rubbed sage, a bay leaf, and then we're going to add, this is fresh broth from this morning from cooking the chicken. Baby red potatoes, little bit of tomato paste, about a tablespoon. We'll put together a flour slurry. That's a tough word, slurry. Chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, already cooked and cut up. Corn and peas. Okay, my pan is ready. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat up a little bit. Add the onion, carrot, and the celery. Give it a good stir. Give it a real quick pinch of salt. And pepper. You want to cook this for about 5-6 minutes. Okay, now that these veggies have cooked for several minutes, we're going to add the garlic. I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds. Smell that garlic. I'm going to bring the heat down just a bit. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste, the thyme, the rosemary, the sage, and last but not least, the bay leaf. Give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to add the broth. And the potatoes. Bring up some heat. Going to add another layer of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. That should be good. Now what I'm going to do is bring this up to a boil and right back down into a simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And here we are, done simmering. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a real quick stir on this slurry. And I'm going to pour that in to the stew. And give it a good stir. Ah, there it is, going a little bit thicker. I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken, the peas, and the corn. And get this all mixed together. I'll put a lid on it real quick. And we're going to simmer for about 5 minutes. And here's the wonderful hearty chicken and veggie stew. I'm going to fish out the bay leaf. Yummy. Okay, here's the wonderful hearty chicken and veggie stew in a bowl. I'm just going to add a quick garnish. This would be great with bread or rolls. like a biscuit. So here again, hearty chicken and veggie stew. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Keep coming back. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.